Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog. I'm just hanging out at the moment. I'm working and I am watching some HBO Max. I'm watching The Wolverine. I feel like it's been a very long time since I've seen that movie, so I'm rewatching it. And I got my new coffee maker in the mail. I literally just got it 5 seconds ago from the UPS guy, and I signed for it. Everything is good. Literally, he knocked on my door as I was in the middle of peeing, and I knew that it had to have signature required. So in the middle of me peeing, I stopped, pulled my pants up, and ran to the door. And then I had to go back and finish. Raph and my parents are gone because my mom's waterbed broke on her the other night. Like straight up just started leaking on her. So that sucked. I went to go get a new mattress, but I feel so bad for mom because she literally just called me and said, we went to this place to find a new mattress. Basically, my dad has this app called Nextdoor. My dad's obsessed with that app. It's like a place where people can like list stuff for sale, and then you go to their house and pick it up. So they found this like king size mattress for 40 bucks. And when they got there, mom said that it was so dirty, like there was like an animal sleeping on it. I'm like, why would you have your, if you're trying to sell something, why would you have your animal like sleep on it? I'm home alone at the minute, so that's very fun for me. I'm never home alone anymore now that Raph's here, which I love Raph being here, but being home alone is just like fun sometimes, you know? So I think I'm gonna get that coffee maker set up. I'm gonna get it out of the box, do an unboxing with you guys, of course. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. And I do really apologize if you can hear, not if, you definitely can. I apologize that you can hear the dishwasher going. Here is my machine. But here's what it is, very, very exciting. Can't wait. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. I gotta tell you guys, first latte made with this machine looks incredible. Look at this. I'm thoroughly impressed. Now that I have made my first cup of coffee with this machine, I wanted to go over just a couple of things with you guys and just kind of show you some features. On button is right here. Every time it does turn on, it will do like a small rinse cycle. So that's just to clean it out, I reckon, to get it ready. I love the interface on this machine. I much prefer the strength option than the other machine having to do like the amount of liquid and then the amount of beans. I much prefer this situation. And then there's this button right here because it has a bypass chute in the back right there. So if you wanted to use ground coffee or like a decaf coffee, you can put it in the bypass chute right here, just one scoop, and you can press that. You'll do that button right there and it will pour from the bypass chute. This is your regular one-shot espresso. This over here is your lungo. This is a very cool feature called over ice. I have not used this yet, but tomorrow I want to use it and I reckon I'll use it a lot in the summertime. It's basically a DeLonghi exclusive to where they specifically brew a longer shot that's like extracted in a certain way to make it really good over ice, to where it's like not watered down, like it's brewed at a certain temperature. I don't know, I haven't tried it. I'm excited though. And then this right here is for a pot of coffee. If you have somebody that wants like just like a pot of coffee, they don't want to worry about making like a a milk drink or anything like that. And then this is your steam button, and then this I believe is just for hot water. But if you press this, you'll get steam. And speaking of this, this is the steam arm, as I'm sure you saw. It's off, turn it this way, it turns on, and then the steam comes out of here. If you don't press this button and turn it this way, then you will get hot water out of this. This, of course, does come off just like that, and then you can rinse this underwater and clean it whenever you make a milk-based drink. So first impressions of this machine, I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning, and I really like it compared to the other one. I like this one already. I just like the interface more than the other one, but I am still going to be trying it out. I'll use it tomorrow morning, and yeah, that's going to be all of the update for now, but I will update you later on, or if I make more coffee. I don't think I will, but I might make Raph coffee if he wants it, so we'll see. But anyways, that's it for now, and I will talk to you when something else fun happens. Good morning. Good morning. We literally just woke up. I still have my deep, sexy, sleepy, tired voice, but I wanted to tell you the over ice feature on this machine is bomb. It's so cool. I really wanted to test that out with you because I wanted to show you each feature of the machine. I'm so sorry, my voice is so deep at the moment. But no, I really wanted to show every single feature of the machine, and I was like, if I don't show the over ice, then I'm not showing all the features. But that's really nice. Like, I used my circle ice cubes, which I need to put back in the freezer. Hold please. Okay, I'm back. And it makes like a really long shot. I don't know if it's like a couple of shots mixed together, but it's just a really long shot, and it like brews at a much colder temperature than like a normal drink. But this is super good. I normally drink iced coffee in the summertime, but I do like an iced coffee every now and then in the winter, but I just wanted to try it out. I go through phases sometimes. I'll go through phases of I really want hot coffee and I really want cold coffee, so I think I put a little too much creamer in this one, but that's okay. Anyways, yeah, I really wanted to show that feature. I think what I'm gonna do, I love fun ice cube trays. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a couple of like really big ice cube trays from like Amazon or something, and then I'll make the same thing, but I'll put like 2 blocks of ice or something like that, you know, like how they do in whiskey, or like 2 really big circles of ice. I don't know, but I think it's gonna be really fun. Also, I'm very salty that I was supposed to get a coffee bean molded, or like a coffee bean shaped ice cube tray with the machine, and I didn't get it. I'm very salty about it. DeLonghi, send me my ice cube tray because I would have used it so fast. That's the update for right now. Happy Christmas Eve. I can't believe it's Christmas Eve. It does not feel like Christmas to me at all. It is like super hot outside, and my mom told me that on Christmas Day, which is obviously tomorrow, on Christmas Day it's gonna be 72 degrees. Yeah, that's not Christmas at all. But the weird thing about it is that I feel like Christmas is gonna be really hot, but up until like March, it's gonna be actual winter. I guarantee that if we're gonna get snow, it's gonna be like in February or something like that. We're gonna get ready to go to lunch / dinner with my parents at 3:45, and I fucked up because I forgot to make reservations. Like, we planned this a week ago, and my ass forgot to make reservations because I've never made reservations in my life. My parents have always done that, so I completely forgot about it. And then my mom called me up last night and she was like, "Hey honey, did you make reservations at Chop House?" And I was like, no, nope. And she goes, Okay, well, I'm gonna call and make reservations, and the only time they had was either 3:45 or 8 p.m. So we were like, 3:45 it is. So we're gonna do that at 3:45, very excited about it. And then we're gonna go to my parents' house, and I think we're gonna do Christmas tonight. We normally do Christmas on Christmas Eve with my parents, and then we go to my grandparents on Christmas Day. So I'm excited about it, and I have a couple things for my parents. The big box over here, you've seen multiple times, but this really big blue box over here is for my dad. This is from my mom. I just kept it here to keep it away from my dad so he wouldn't see it, and I wrapped it. But this right here is a Cuisinart air fryer oven, like toaster oven, and he really wanted this. And then this one up here is for mom. Believe it or not, FabFitFun sent me 2 boxes this time. So like, I got my box, my normal box that I was supposed to get. And then, I don't know what happened, but they sent me another tracking, and they were like, hey, we're so sorry, your box hasn't arrived yet. We're gonna go ahead and send you it now. And I had already gotten one of the boxes, so they sent me another one, and it's totally unopened, so I'm just gonna give that one to mom. She loves FabFitFun. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna have breakfast, and I'll let you know when something else fun happens. I really wanted to just show you the over ice feature, and it's really still great. I mean, the ice has not melted in the slightest. And yeah, I think I'm actually gonna make a hot coffee now. The cold coffee was great, but I think I'm just in the mood for hot coffee at the moment, so I'm gonna go make that. But I'll let you know when something else fun happens. Okay, hi, it's a tiny bit later now, and I really wanted to do a quick little try-on haul with you guys. I got a couple pieces in from Nudie Patootie. It's Laura Lee's brand, if you, obviously you know, but I have never tried any of her stuff yet, so I got 3 pieces to try out. I'm super excited about it, and I really liked the items so far. I'm talking about the stuff that I saw on the website, because they were just super cute, very fall and winter time, very festive. So I got, first thing I got was this Sherpa right here. This is the thing that made me go to the website. I saw this on the Nudie Patootie Instagram on their stories, and I was like, oh my god, I need it. So I went to the website and I got it, and it's so cute. It is like this Sherpa shacket situation, and we're about to go to IHOP, so this is what I'm wearing. Except for not the pants, but look at the texture. It is so soft, so incredibly soft, and the colors are so cute. And then you can button it. It's really warm. I mean, we have the heat on in the house right now, but it's still really warm. You can button it. This is cute. I'm gonna wear this to go eat. And I just have it with this white crop top. I did get a pair of pants, so let's try those on. I'm a bit scared for the pants, I'm not gonna lie, because I've put on a couple pounds. Yeah, they're not gonna fit. It's not happening. Well, actually, believe it or not, they do fit. They're actually really fine in the waist. The thighs are a little bit tight, but they're so stretchy. They're very cute though. They're like flares. Super cute, and they actually fit really nicely. I think that look how much stretch it has in the waist. Definitely a lot of stretch there. The thighs are a little tight, but they're not too bad. I think once I like wear them, then it'll be fine. But this and this is a look. I'm gonna wear this out. And then the last thing I got was a flannel. I love flannels, but there is a couple that I have that are so unbelievably uncomfortable that I can't wear them. They're like so scratchy on the inside. Here's this flannel. Oh my god, I love the colors so much. Look how fall, look how winter, so beautiful, and I just hope it's soft on the inside. That's all I care about. And I got all of these items in a size small. Oh my god, it's not itchy. Well, I'm thoroughly happy with this. Look how cute. I don't wear as many shackets as I should. It's like this tiniest bit itchy by your right here, like by your wrists, but other than that it's not itchy at all. But I love the color, it's so cute. Yeah, okay, that's been my mini Nudie Patootie haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put on the Sherpa jacket again, and this is what I'm gonna wear to go eat breakfast. Hello everyone, we are back home now. As you can tell, in my last clip, I know I didn't vlog much from Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but Merry Christmas everybody. It is Christmas Day as I'm filming this part, and I hope you all had a wonderful, beautiful day, and I hope you had a safe Christmas and very lovely Christmas if you celebrate. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Me and Raph are watching Don't Look Up on Netflix, so very, very exciting. It's promising so far. I haven't seen Jennifer Lawrence in a movie in quite some time, and I love Jennifer Lawrence, so I hope that she'll continue to be in more things. Yeah, we had a great time in Alabama. Raph had a fun time talking to my grandpa and everything because, you know, two very different cultures. But I think he had a good time, and we had a good time just seeing everybody and eating all the food. I'm still full from lunch and it's now 7. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a like. Also follow me on Instagram because I post as often as I can over here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.